Welcome to Best by Report. The Best Degreaser Cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook or cleaning enthusiast. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Degreaser Cleaner sprays, specifically designed to tackle the toughest grime and grease on your pots and pans. We'll explore its effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if this product deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This is the Pink Stuff, the miracle all-purpose cleaning paste. It's designed to tackle tough stains and grime. It delivers sparkling results on various surfaces. It's perfect for use on kitchen and bathroom surfaces, tiles, glass, and stainless steel. This versatile paste is your go-to cleaner for almost any household mess. The Pink Stuff is tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. It removes stubborn stains without scratching or damaging, leaving surfaces spotless and shiny. Simply apply a small amount to a damp cloth or sponge, rub gently, and rinse away. It's ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. The Pink Stuff leaves your home not only spotless but also smelling great with its delightful rhubarb fragrance. What we like? This cleaning paste is perfect for those stubborn, baked-on messes. It's gentle enough to protect your surfaces, yet powerful enough to remove even the toughest grime. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner that can handle almost anything, you should consider this. What people say. The product is a great degreaser. It works very well on pots and pans. It is a great cleaner spray. Number 4. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Multipurpose Cleaner. Introducing the Pink Stuff Multipurpose Cleaner. It's formulated to remove tough stains and grime. This cleaner will leave your surfaces sparkling clean with minimal effort. This cleaner is perfect for various surfaces. You can use it on countertops, stovetops, tiles, and sinks. It's the ideal all-in-one cleaner for every room. Cleaning is now quick and hassle-free. Simply spray and wipe for an instant clean. The convenient spray bottle ensures an even application. Despite its powerful cleaning, it's gentle on surfaces. It ensures no scratches or damage while effectively removing dirt and stains. You can trust it. Enjoy a clean and fresh-smelling home. The Pink Stuff leaves behind a pleasant fragrance, making your cleaning experience more enjoyable. You'll love it. Achieve a streak-free shine on glass, stainless steel, and ceramic. The Pink Stuff leaves no residue, ensuring a flawless finish every time. It's amazing. From the Pink Stuff, a brand known for high-quality cleaning products. Trust the reliability and performance of this cleaner. Keep your home spotless with it. What we like? This multi-purpose cleaner is designed for quick and easy cleaning. It's perfect for everyday use, and it leaves a streak-free shine. If you want a cleaner that's both effective and convenient, you should consider this. What people say. This cleaner really is a miracle worker. It cuts through grease, grime, and soap scum with almost no effort, and it leaves everything looking fresh and clean. Works on counters, glass, stainless steel, floors, and even stubborn soap scum. Cuts through my greasy baked-on food on my cooking trays. Number 3. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner 3-pack. This cleaner is specially formulated to handle the toughest bathroom stains and grime. It will leave your bathroom surfaces sparkling clean with minimal effort. You'll be amazed at how easily it works. The easy-to-use foam spray clings to surfaces, allowing for maximum contact time. You just spray it on and let it work its magic. Then, simply wipe it clean. It's that easy. It's perfect for a variety of bathroom surfaces, including tiles, sinks, tubs, and showers. You can even use it on faucets and toilet exteriors. This one product handles all your bathroom cleaning needs. This cleaner effectively removes stubborn limescale, soap scum, and hard water stains. You'll get shiny, clean surfaces without harsh scrubbing. It's a real time saver. You'll achieve a streak-free, polished finish on all your bathroom surfaces. The Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner ensures a spotless, gleaming bathroom after every use. The results are fantastic. Enjoy a fresh and clean-smelling bathroom with every use. This cleaner leaves a pleasant fragrance that lingers, enhancing the overall cleanliness. Your bathroom will smell wonderful. Despite its powerful cleaning capabilities, it's gentle on surfaces, ensuring no scratches or damage. It's safe for use on delicate bathroom fixtures and fittings. You can trust it to be both effective and safe. What we like. This bathroom foam cleaner is specifically designed for bathroom surfaces. The foam clings to surfaces, making it easy to remove limescale and soap scum. If you are tired of scrubbing and want a cleaner that does the work for you, you should consider this. What people say. It cuts through soap scum, limescale, and grime like nobody's business. The foam clings to surfaces, allowing it to work its magic without dripping everywhere. It works on glass, grout, and tile like a dream. Number 2. Stardrops, the Pink Stuff Ultimate Cleaning Bundle. This bundle includes everything you need for a sparkling clean home. It features the Pink Stuff paste, multi-purpose spray, bathroom foam spray, and cream cleaner. This is an all-in-one solution for all your cleaning needs. This powerful formula easily removes tough dirt and grease. It works fast and effectively on various surfaces, making cleaning a breeze. It will make your cleaning much more efficient. The Pink Stuff is ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor spaces. You can use it on countertops, sinks, showers, walls, and even BBQs. It's perfect for almost any surface. This product is designed for use on ceramic, glass, stainless steel, and porcelain. It's safe and won't cause any damage. You can trust it to clean without worry. The miracle formula does the hard work for you, reducing the need for intense scrubbing. You'll achieve professional quality results with less effort. It makes cleaning easier than ever. This bundle provides everything you need to keep your home sparkling. It reduces the need for multiple cleaning products. It's the only cleaning solution you'll ever need. What we like. This ultimate bundle gives you everything you need for a sparkling home. It's designed to tackle tough grime on various surfaces. If you like the idea of having a complete cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. The spray nozzles have excellent coverage and control, making cleaning quick and efficient without wasting product. Stubborn stains that I battled for years, gone within minutes. It got Sharpie off of my wood cabinets and pen off my painted windowsill. Number 1. Diversey Breakup Oven and Grill Cleaner 19 ounces. Introducing a powerful cleaner designed to tackle the toughest messes. This product is formulated to break down baked-on grease and grime effectively. It makes cleaning fast and easy. You don't need to wait for the oven to cool down. This cleaner works on contact, even on cold surfaces. It saves you time and effort. Get ready for a deep clean with this heavy-duty formula. It provides extra power to remove even carbonized soils. It ensures a thorough clean every time. Cleaning your oven and grill has never been easier. This product simplifies the process, making it quick and efficient. You'll be amazed at how easily it removes grime. The innovative design allows for easy application. This can sprays from any angle, ensuring you can reach every spot. It provides maximum coverage for a spotless finish. This product comes in a convenient 19-ounce can. It is sold as a single unit, providing you with everything you need. It's the perfect size for all your cleaning needs. What we like. This oven and grill cleaner is a heavy-duty solution for the toughest messes. It breaks down baked-on grease and grime on contact, even on cold surfaces. If you have a grill or oven that needs some serious cleaning, you should consider this. What people say. I have finally found the perfect product for cleaning oven grates. I'm happy with my purchase. It works great, gets rid of tough grease. I used it on my stove, grill, pan, over stove extractor, etc. Worth every penny. Simply easy to use and no scrubbing involved. Amazing. Worth the price. Follow the directions, wear a mask and gloves, let it sit for 2 to 4 hours, wipe clean with a wet towel. Liquid gold. It stinks but it works. Best quality. No greasiness. Spray just fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.